All right, everyone, here we are with ticker symbol SNDL, Sundial Growers Inc. And before we jump into this chart, I want to say welcome to all the first-time viewers and investors. Welcome to the channel, Invest for Tomorrow. And to all the subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video and to stay tuned on in towards the end of the video because I have a ticker symbol to share with you guys that you won't want to miss and you definitely want to add it to your watch list. Now, this ticker symbol is a speculative one, so you definitely want to proceed with caution, but I do want to share with you guys and enlighten you guys on the opportunity. I mentioned it this weekend in the Patreon, so you're getting fresh information just like the Patreon members. Now, if you want to get access to the full list of stocks that I'm sharing with you guys at the watch list in Patreon, you can go ahead and join us. I do weekly watch lists, and over at the Discord, I do daily runners or at least daily stocks that seem to have potential, right? That's what we look for, opportunities in the market, and we discuss them and so forth. So if you want to join the Discord and the Patreon, you can definitely go ahead and click on the links down below. So SNDL, Sundial Growers Inc. has been literally sitting sideways. Now, the true support here, no matter what we talk about here, these support levels got broken through 107, and then down here we got 105, 104. Those are our supports, but truly and definitively, $1 is the support. This needs to stay above $1. And if it gets broken through, your next one's 92 cents. So I want you guys to be aware of that. But $1 is the true support as long as we're above it. There's strength here, even though we're in bearish territory. But we got to watch this one closely. So the 50-day moving average here is 111. Anything below it is bearish. Anything above it is bullish. Now, the bulls need a breakthrough 108 to start pulling upwards, but their true resistance level is up here at 112. The bulls need a breakthrough 112, turn that into a support, and if they accomplish that, they've got back into bullish territory. They broke through the 50-day moving average, and they're working their way up to newer highs. So you definitely want to keep that in mind. Pay close attention to that reaction and how the bulls pull upwards. But before doing any of that, 108 needs to be broken through, and the bulls need to start pulling themselves up, staircase effect or little by little, and creating this type of momentum upwards towards the 50-day moving average. Now, if the bulls lose more traction here and the bears continue dominating this tug of war, pulling it down, they're going to try to cross 106, and your next point of reference literally, yes, I know I said 104 based off the history of the chart, but it's $1. As long as we stay above $1, there's some strength there, and it is something to watch carefully and see how the bulls are doing to maintain themselves up with strength before collapsing any further down. As always, if you found this video helpful and informative, please do so and subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell to turn on all notifications and not miss a single video that I post. Share this with your friends and community, and don't forget to hit the like button to let me know you watch this video, and stay tuned towards the end because we got a lot to cover, and I want to share with you guys this speculative stock that's been booming and why there's potential for it to run again. Possibly. We got to look at the chart and we need to pay close attention to it moving forward. So today in the morning it was pretty exciting. Congratulations to those of you that learned something new over at the Patreon. By joining the Patreon, you gain access to the Discord, and in the Discord we talk about stocks that are showing potential pretty early in the morning due to volume, indicators, or just news. So if you guys want to go ahead and check that out and you're interested in that, you can join us now. I have a Discord. I know a lot of people were asking for that. So congratulations to those. And let's go ahead and talk about the stock I'm going to share with you guys that I actually mentioned this weekend on the Patreon as well. Because on the Patreon, I have a weekly watch list, right, that you want to watch. Some of those are long-term. Some of those are swing trades. And then over at the Discord, we look at more quick trades, quick plays, and something that I really advise every single investor to do is watch to learn. And then once you get the hang of it, go ahead and start putting your feet in the water, right? That's the whole step of joining to learn. And then from there, start to gain the momentum. It's the snowball effect. You start off little by little, and then your snowball is going to get bigger. But this is one of the stocks I mentioned this weekend, and it's WAFU. And this stock has had two spikes, okay? And they have to do with, obviously, education, I believe, out in China, right? It's a group that does online exam preparation, distance learning, stuff like that, business to business model type of company. But let's go ahead and read here what I saw. So this is the watch list from April 4th, which is literally yesterday. And this is the top one in the list. Okay, there's 3 others. You could see their charts here, and obviously analysis price targets and stuff. So if you guys want to gain access to these stocks and see everything, the charts, and why I am attracted to them, you can go ahead and join us at the Patreon. So this is a pure speculation play, as I said. So do watch with caution, as it jumped twice in the last few days. It is falling, as we can see here in the chart, and it has room to fall. The closer to 8, the more interesting. I was about to say $9 because I'm thinking about where it's at right now. $8, the more interesting. But keep in mind, this is a pure speculation. It could fall lower or have another bounce in April. If you look at the 2 spikes it recently had, you can see how short-lived it has been. So based off the charts, it was showing weakness, and I have everything pulled up here. And now it's looking like it's trying to do a reversal. But that's in the 30-minute. If we go to the 15-minute, it's showing strength. If we go to the 5-minute, strength. And then if we go to the 3-minute, strength as well. And when we go to the 1-minute, it's like kind of wobbly, but it's pushing upwards. This has to get back up this way, right? You want to kind of see it above. And if you do see it above, then this could start to run. Now, if this was the bottom, what we've seen recently, which I was hoping for this to get closer to $8, which is pretty much where this started to run a little bit before that. It was down at the $7 range down here at this point. But right here, you could see that 8.15, kind of around there, it started to run, and it reached here a high of 15.92. Could it reach 15.92 again? I don't think so. That's probably going to be a really good opportunity if it does happen. But if it doesn't, I could see this reversing, and it hit a low here of 9.42. Could it touch $9 again? We'll have to see, because this could start showing weakness and reversing. But by the looks of it, if this volume could continue, and this could break out tomorrow morning, okay, and continue to go up like this, okay, this is the most important part, like these green bars here, right, start to grow and get bigger, right, darker green bars, not light green bars like this, because this starts showing a reversal in the other direction. If not, dark green bars in the upward direction, this could start to pull upwards. Now, how far up could it go? I would say probably close to $10 and some change, and best case scenario up here closer to $11 to $13. That's like the best case scenario. But worst case scenario, if this does start having a reversal early, this could touch $10.50, $10.30, which is a quick 10% opportunity. But if you swing trade this one a little bit longer term, and you're understanding the fundamentals and everything about this company, and if you've checked their news and you like what they're showing, then this could be a potential hold, and you can hold it through to try and see if it gets up to these higher levels between $13 and $15. But, this is very speculative. I just wanted to share with you guys. This is one of the top stocks that I mentioned this week to watch, and going into April, there might be an opportunity. We'll have to see, but like I said, you could see here how short-lived these spikes are. They don't last more than 2 days. So once it happens, don't get greedy and take your portion, But we have to see. It still hasn't confirmed reversal. It could look like that right now, and everything else is showing strength. But when you go to the 1 day, it's showing room to fall. You see, that's why I believe this could get closer to $8. And the closer it gets to $8, we'll have to see. But then some of these stocks that are so volatile, they can actually look like they're pulling downwards in the macro, right? When you zoom out a little bit more. But then like you see here in the micro, it's already starting to show that reversal pattern, right? So the risk is there. This is a very speculative stock. Like I always say, I'm not here to tell you guys to buy, sell, or hold any positions. But I am here to enlighten you guys on opportunities that are presenting themselves. Definitely do your research. This is just Invest for Tomorrow's opinions. But if you guys want to join the private Discord, the link is down below. And you can join us over at the Patreon as well to know the full list of stocks that I'm watching weekly and throughout the days of the week. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.